As far as TOEFL's listening is concerned, that is more challenging as compared to IELTS. In TOEFL listening, you have to listen altogether long material, and afterwards question appears in the screen. So here your memory is also tested, like you memorize all the points of the listening data, and afterwards questions appear, then you have to respond according to the memorized data in TOEFL. But in IELTS that is not the case. In IELTS, therefore I told earlier that IELTS listening is easier, because as the communication of the speakers in dialogue or monologue or conversation or mini lecture goes on, according to that content the questions are appearing in the same order. So you pick up the answer, you give the answer, you pick up the answer, you give the answer. So means while listening you have to respond in IELTS, but in TOEFL you memorize the area. You can take some notes on the page and you can later on answer all the questions. But there are clips, just like you listen for 1 to 2 minutes, and then there are 3 questions, then you listen for 2 to 4 minutes, and there are 4 to 5 questions. In this way, clips appear. So it means you are judged, not just listening in flow, but you are also judged based on your memory. Like whatever you listen, you can store it for a longer period of time. It's not the case you listen and then the thing goes in the air, then you listen, then the thing goes in the air, you are moving ahead, right?